the NCPRI, there has been differences on the approach and framework of the Lokpal bill. If today we have come out because we wrote to the Joint Drafting Committee, both to Shri Pranab Mukherjee as well as to Mr. Shanti Bhushan, asking for their terms of reference and asking for space to testify in front of them about our differing positions. दोनों से चिट्ठी आया कि हम लोग आपको बुलाएंगे और हमें बुलाया नहीं, फिर वो कमेटी ही भंग हो गई. So on the 6th of July, we decided to bring out our opinion in the public domain, and since then we've been debating, discussing with lots of people all over the country, in some places, sitting and discussing provisions of our draft. Basically, all that we are saying is that one institution will be too heavy, too loaded, too big. We will create the same democratic mistakes that we are fighting against and the same bureaucratic disease that is part of every large structure. In English they say power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. So any system, in fact मैं आपको ये कहूँ कि कहीं भी जहाँ तंत्र होता है वहाँ पे भ्रष्टाचार अपने आप होता है, वो धार्मिक हो, वो लोकतांत्रिक हो, वो राजनीतिक हो, वो NGO हो, वो पढ़ाई लिखाने वाले प्रोफेसर्स का ढांचा हो, वो टीचरों का ढांचा हो, रेवेन्यू ऑफिशियल्स का ढांचा हो, कहीं भी हो, the size of a bureaucracy determines its level of honesty. So therefore we felt that there should be more institutions. My colleagues Shekhar and Nikhil will go deeply into these issues, so I'll refrain from saying any more about it. Today, after speaking to all the political parties and placing our comments before them, and also to government, we have decided to hold this press conference so that we can make our position clear, because now the law is in Parliament, and according to parliamentary procedure, it will go before a standing committee. We will go and testify before the standing committee, like we testified about the RTI Act. And in the RTI Act, which was sent by the DOPT to Parliament, it was so different from the draft we created outside, the NCPRI did, which went into the NAC and went to the DOPT. It was so badly changed that in the standing committee, 153 amendments were made. And that's when the RTI Act, the powerful RTI Act you see today, was created. The standing committee is an important institution, and we should use it as much as we can. Our argument is that democracy is people's rights in a system. So we must make these democratic institutions work for us, and they must work for us. And if they've been hijacked, then people who hijack these institutions must be taught how not to hijack. We must assert our rights. But to get rid of these institutions would be a great disaster for all the people in this country. So therefore we must make it work. So having said that, I'm going to hand over the mic to Shekhar, who will talk to you about the various drafts, the government draft, the Jan Lokpal draft, and the NCPRI draft. हमारा ये कहना है कि लोकतंत्र जनता के लिए बनता है, ये राजनेताओं के लिए लोकतंत्र नहीं बनता है. यदि ये ढांचे हमारे लिए काम नहीं करते हैं तो उनको काम करवाना हमारा दायित्व है. इसीलिए सूचना के अधिकार के आंदोलन से लेके अब तक हमें लगता है हर एक ढांचे का एक
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.